am taking 400 grams chicken with bones. Now first I am going to boil it. You can also use boneless chicken. Add 400 grams chicken in a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Add 1 glass of water. Mix well and put the lid of the cooker. Take 3 whistles on high flame. Once the chicken is boiled, let it cool down. Shred the chicken. In a deep bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Mix nicely. Cook for 10 to 15 seconds. Add white portion of spring onion. Add shredded chicken. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix well over medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon hot chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add chicken stock. Take 1 teaspoon corn flour in a bowl. Add little water. Mix nicely. Our corn flour slurry is ready. Add salt according to taste. Add corn flour slurry and mix nicely. I am taking 1 egg white in a bowl. Whisk the egg white properly. Add the egg white slowly to the soup and stir it.